Hi everyone and welcome to the Fynix tutorial series. In this video, we will learn about the different UI aspects of Fynix. So first of all, you can go to your VS Code and you will be able to see the Fynix icon over here. You click on Fynix Copilot icon and the assistant input field will open up, which you can see on your screen right now. Now, this is the chat section. On chat section, you will have some quick start guide. You will have shortcuts also that you can refer very easily. This is the input field wherein you can give any prompt to Fynix, or you can also give a set of code as you would see down the line in further tutorial series. This is for mentions. From here, you can mention a particular file, code, or you can mention the entire workspace or a particular document from internet, or you can mention a website or a Jira ticket or a previous chat, which is thread, right? Similarly, you can attach an image over here and have a conversation with respect to that image. This is where you select which model that you want to choose right now. So currently we have 5 models available. As and when we have more models available, we will put that in release route. This is over here where you can see AI review. So anytime you have made several changes to a particular file or you have made changes to the code, you can go to AI review and have a review of the changes that you have made in that repository, right? It will give you suggestions. You can ask for things like focus on performance of the code, several and several other factors. You will also see a very deep down detail in further videos about AI review. Similarly for diagram, this is where you click and you can paste a code or you can write a prompt to generate a diagram to visualize it much better. This is for Fynix Terminal. We have a dedicated video on Fynix Terminal. You can refer that for how to use Fynix Terminal. Now, the second tab is actually a guide tab. Over the guide tab, you can quickly search for any particular functionality that you want. You can go for a quick overview about how the chat interaction, code interaction, and additional features work. Over here, you can see commands, your / commands, different mentions, so what each mention does, and a brief example of the same. Similarly, we have different shortcuts over here for your quick reference. Now this is settings. You can quickly search for things in settings. This is general settings, wherein if you want inline code completion activated, you have to select this. Similarly, there are several other things that are very self-explanatory. One important factor would be advanced settings, wherein you can see the syncing. This actually refers back to workspace. So if your workspace is 100% synced, you will be able to ask questions on that by using the mentions, right? Similarly, you can add custom documents over here, which will also be synced. And you can add files that you want to ignore. This is a very special functionality, rules for AI. Over here, you can have specific rules like only give me results for Python, right? Or something else that you want. You want something in a particular language, you can do that over here. Please make sure code-based indexing is on so that you are able to utilize the mention commands to the fullest. Similarly, we have account settings. We have different models that you can activate or deactivate, and you can put your own API key if you want to use your own API keys over here. You can go to history. For first-time users, you might not have any history, but over there in history, you have different IDs for different chat. You can use them to mention in threads, and you will learn in a dedicated video of threads how to actually use that. Over here is from where you start a new chat, a new conversation, right? You can export a conversation, log out, or you can report bugs as and when you find them, right? So this is a brief idea about the user interface of Fynix. It is quite self-explanatory. Do give it a try, get your hands on it, and let us know how you feel about it.